Hello people, heartily welcome to Travel with Divyanu. So today's healthy recipe, which is very quick to prepare. It just takes hardly 10 to 12 minutes maximum once you have all chopped vegetables. So let's get started. Today's special recipe is regarding the health benefits. So the vegetable what I'm using today mainly is snake gourd or parval or padval kai, which is named as. You can check it out in Google if you are unaware. So what I've done is I've chopped this. First I've washed this as well as chopped in the round circle wise and removed the seeds using the fork or through finger, using the finger. Based on the fork, once you remove it, you need to chop it by half-inch size and half cup of onion, half cup of tomato. So half tablespoon of jeera, 1 Maggi masala, and coriander leaves is optional. Curry leaves around 5 to 6 leaves, and garlic and ginger based on the required quantity, or you can use the garlic paste. Turmeric half tablespoon, salt half tablespoon, oil 3 tablespoon, and half cup of parval. To get started, I am initially adding oil around 3 tablespoons. You can add it if needed more. Once the oil is heated up, you can add jeera. So starting, I am adding jeera, curry leaves, and ginger and garlic. You can use ginger and garlic paste as well, based on your availability. However, ginger and garlic freshly chopped is more tasty and nutritious value. Henceforth, I am using ginger and garlic fresh chopped. You can have it completely finely chopped for having a good taste. We need to fry this for a half minute, so that once the color start changes and aroma comes, you can add onion and tomato. Now I'm adding onion, half cup finely chopped onion. Onion need to be little bit dark brown to put tomato. And let me tell you the benefits of parval meanwhile. It is good in vitamin A, B, C, potassium, magnesium, calcium. Also it is good in iron for daily consumption, as well as in a weekly at least thrice you can add this for your removal of dandruff. The parval water is very good for removal of dandruff, as well as it helps in blood circulation. So now we are able to see the color started changing step by step. Now it's time to add tomato, half cup of chopped tomato. Parval also acts as an antibiotic for your health. So if you have any health issues or immunity wise, you need to increase your immunity boosting power. It will act as an immunity power. Parval is also having as iron and iodine intake in it. It's good for your, let it be kids, pregnancy people, or anyone, regardless of age. Anyone can be consumed in your daily routine. And this is a weight loss vegetable as well. While adding turmeric, salt, and Maggi masala, all you need to have your gas flame low. Now it's time to add parval, which is washed, chopped and de-seeded. You need to remove the seed and then cook it. Parval takes around 3 to 4 minutes to cook. You can use the lid as well. to cook if you can't keep stirring. This can be eaten along with rotis or rice. So after 1 to 2 minutes of parval getting fried, then you can add Maggi masala. For more spice, you can add red chili powder apart from Maggi masala. As I am preparing for 1 to 2 people, Maggi masala is sufficient, as well as ginger garlic will add on the taste in this. If required, you can add red chili powder as well. So you can see that it started getting fried. So maybe another 1 to 2 minutes required to get properly fried. Then you can have it with whichever the food or maybe dish you require, maybe with roti or rice. Even you can have this as breakfast or even as lunch. This helps in weight loss, so you can prefer having weekly at least thrice, which will help you in maintaining your diet. Parval shouldn't be chopped too in a big size because for frying it will take more time. So always prefer chopping it in a very medium size, maybe like this, ½ inch or less than ½ inch. So our lovely parval sabji, chatpata sabji is ready to serve. Do try and let me know. Right now I am having with rice. You can try it out with roti. Do let me know how it was tasty and how did it affect you as well as help you in your health. This is very good for your weight loss as well as also maintaining your good health. So do let me know how it is. Thank you. Please keep watching and trying out the healthy recipes. Let me know your feedback. I'll try to improve step by step. If you like my recipes, do subscribe, like and share and comment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Keep watching Travel with Divya Anu.